Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Elite Gourmet EG6201 Extra Deep 12 inches by 12 inches by 3.2 inches, 7.5 QT, scratch-resistant dishwasher-safe, non-stick electric skillet with glass vented lid, adjustable temperature, black. Dishwasher-safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized non-stick is more durable than non-stick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. Lock in flavors and moisture with the clear, tempered glass lid. The large 12-inch by 12-inch by 3.15-inch pan dimensions let you fry chicken for the whole family or prepare deep dish pastas with extras for everyone. Simplify meal time with our family-sized 7.5-quart electric skillet. Enjoy fluffy pancakes, gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches, and flavorful stir-fried veggies. Serve 6 to 8 people. Thanks for watching and subscribe.